Good morning again, Ria here from Maisie Moo. I am going to show you ever so quickly how to put together the EasyStitch Hand Sanitizer Holder. Now it's very similar to the original, but which is glued. However, this is a two-piece and that was a one-piece, so what you can do is have corresponding colours like I have here, and I'm going really bold today, so we've made the one with the round at the front, and this is a square, and I'm also going to have a scalloped option. So super quick, super easy. You first of all will start off with the top tab. Now if you're going to be inserting hardware, let me just grab some. Okay, so if you can see I've just used a split ring on this one. You might want something, this is a lobster claw clip. You might want to use something different, but what you want to do, especially if you're using, like I am here, the lobster claw, you want to make sure you attach it before we attach it to the body of the template. So I'm going to give you two options for this. You can choose to glue like that. This one here is, I glued this one here. Let's take that out. So you can see I've split this and then I've just glued both sides, but I was looking at it and I thought it might just make it a little bit stronger to put a rivet in it. So I'm just going to put a rivet in this. I use just a leather rivet set I got from Amazon. Doesn't really matter what colour you're going to use or size. I might go for I'll go for a medium one because I don't want it to be too loose. Where are we? Okay. So I'm just going to push that through the holes. Now there are pre-cut holes there. Okay, so we've attached our top tab using the rivet. Now this also has got a hole, there we go. So we want to then attach our snaps. And I was thinking of going for quite bright. Yes, I'm going to go for yellow. Okay, so we've attached our snaps. We'll move all of our bits and pieces away. And what we need to do now is, using our embroidery thread, we want to sew just down and back up again for each side. So I'm going to start sort of not at the very bottom, but I'm going to start just at the base where the knot's not going to be catching on anything or is going to be in the way. And simply sew up and back. Okay, so I've stitched all the way up, I've come back down, I've got a couple more stitches to go. Okay, so this is the last stitch here. So I'm going to take my needle through, and I'm going to come back out again and make a loop. Okay, and then taking your needle back through, and you want to make sure it goes through another stitch so that when you kind of pull that, we're going to pull it, and you can see it makes a nice tight knot, and then we're just going to trim that off. And so I'll trim that on the inside. Perfect. I'm going to do the other side and then I'll come back to you. Okay, so there you have it. We've sewn up both sides, back and around. You can see the stitch clearly on the back. All we need to do now is insert our hand sanitizer. Now, It's made to fit the 60ml bottles. You do get the square ones. I don't have any of those. But there you go. I hope you like that. I'm going to go ahead now and make the scalloped one, but it shows you how easy it is to actually sew them together. I hope you enjoyed that. Well, there we go, we'll put them up there. Thanks.